So I actually am having an allergic reaction this morning. I'm not sure to what. I did have breakfast and coffee this morning. I do have two Zoom meetings today. One was for class, one is a different appointment. So it's like almost 2 p.m. now. My Zoom call went way over because I have a few more hours of light. I want to take pictures for like Instagram. So I'm going to do that for the next hour or so because it is 2 o'clock, and at 3 I have my Zoom class. And hopefully by then Amazon came, because I did order a few things that I wanted to organize in my jewelry. So I'll check back in after class. I do have to straighten out my desk and everything. My desk is a mess. So I have like my mic I use for recording, this thing that I attached to drawers, but I also have to clean the drawers. I have like my study guide opened. I'm just gonna close this. Okay, so now I just have to clean all this up. There we go. So I cleaned everything off, desk and everything, and I wiped everything down. I do have an extra tray up here that I used to use for like scrapbook paper, but I just emptied this out, and I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I put all the pens that were like on my desk up here, and my headphones that I use for the computer as well, but everything is cleared off and everything. I do have to go through these drawers, but the majority of them are things that I need like on a daily. Like there's a glue gun in there and tape and whatever. This acrylic like stand, I will link down in the description. It's smaller than what I would like because I want to like also add in my trackpad, but it's not like too bad, but it does make a difference. Anyway, I have to get to class, so I will check in later. It's like 5:15 now. I'm waiting for Amazon to get here so I can like organize my jewelry because I'm kind of excited for that. I do have other things coming. I do have a new gel like nail polish light coming because the one I have does not work. At least I think it doesn't work. Here's actually, I have the original one. So the one I have is like this thing. So I bought a new one that has like a little like timer, and it's like enclosed. So once it gets here, I'm going to test that out because I do need to do my nails. Hopefully the new one that comes is a little bit better, so I'm going to test that out. And I have the jewelry thing coming as well. So lots of things for this afternoon. I do have to finish new releases for tomorrow. I think I'm just going to go with the kit that is basically ready to go because tomorrow morning I do have like a Zoom call. Okay, so Amazon finally showed up. So I got these, which are basically like 4 bracelets. It's a 2-pack. And then I got this one before. I think I got this one like a week and a half ago. And I had already put everything in here, but I noticed I needed more for bracelets. And I needed to clean my bracelets. So I also got these like wipes. I have one, but I don't know where it is. So I just ended up ordering a new one. I do need to clean these. All like my Alex and Annie bracelets because I leave them on the jewelry tree, and I realized that that's probably like not the best thing. I also need to clean like a bunch of my jewelry because of the fact that I just leave it out. I also got an extra like SD card for the vlogs. They take up so much memory. And then I got the nail polish lamp. So I'm gonna use the nail polish lamp for sure tonight. But so let me open up this just so I can show it to you guys. Okay, so here's the new one. It's closed, which is what I kind of wanted, and I think, yeah, my whole entire hand fits in here. So I think it'll be better, plus it'll probably be faster. So I'm gonna test this out, and then I'll probably just take the bracelets I need to polish and work on those downstairs while I watch TV. Okay, so I just wiped one and it probably looked as bad as maybe this one. And it did take the dirt off, so I probably have to clean it a little bit better, but it's working, so I might be able to finish these tonight. So I ended up cleaning these instead of putting on nail polish, just in case the nail polish didn't hold. That way I didn't have to redo them, but they look so much better than before, so I will organize those later. Okay, I'm upstairs again. I'm gonna just organize these real quick and just kind of like, I don't even know. Right now it's like midnight and I do have to watch a few YouTube videos, but I'll probably watch them in double time. So I do have to do that, and then I have class in the morning. New releases go up at noon. It's basically a typical Thursday, and that is, so I'm kind of glad I had new releases basically designed and done, and just needed to list them all for tomorrow. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys the next time. Bye everyone.